Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's the day I'm going to stain my bed frame, paint the base and paint the legs. I'm going to do the legs, I'm going to sand them and stuff, paint them black. The base under the bed, I'm going to do that a green. I wanted British racing green, but I couldn't get any. Don't know if they seem to don't make it anymore, which is strange, but anyway, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to stain the bed frame the same colour as the roof, which is dark oak. Obviously I've still got to finish that off and tidy it up, but I'm going to do that while it's sunny, which is a rarity here in the UK. So got to hit while the iron's hot. I think that's the same. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, just an update on what's happening. Alright, I bought some paint and I got it mixed up, and I was not mixed up as in the paint was mixed. I wanted a British racing green, which is different to that, but anyway, it looked a lot darker on the test card, just a bit of advice here, than it is now when it's mixed up. As you can see, it's almost like a lime green. It's just really bright, so I've had to darken it by adding black to it. This was a little bit of black added to it, but I've added more, so I'm waiting for this to dry. This can be my undercoat. But yeah, so just be careful when you're if you're getting paint mixed up, as in mixed. It does come out, well, this one did anyway, and it's a Dulux paint, but it came out lighter than what it's like supposed to be. British racing green is like a dark green, this is like a lime green. Anyway, back. Just an update on what I've done. As you can see, I've stained my bed, seat bed, futon it is, so it goes from a seat to a bed. I've painted the inside almost British racing green. You can see up there, that's the same colour. I painted that as well, and I painted my sliding door panel. Anyway, it looks quite good, quite happy with that. Let it dry overnight and put my mattress on it. Also put a bit of rubber along here. Had to be a join, but anyway, that's fine. Let me show you from the side. So from here, as you can see, the beauty of this stain is it brings out the grain, which I think looks awesome. Really, really does. But anyway, so I've got to build up my base here. It's all screwed in down there with the wood. Yeah, quite happy with it. Let me show you this if I can see. And I don't know if you can see it in the shade. That's done. Let me close this door, and then I will do it again. Can't really see it, but anyway, it's a green. It's almost a British racing green. It's probably a little bit greener than it. But yeah, it looks well actually. It goes well with I don't know if you can see it properly on the GoPro, but it goes well with the green and the black and the wood stain. Quite happy with the colour. Yeah, as you can see, I did scratch it, but hey, I'll touch it up. Anyway, and these are just they're not screwed underneath, they're just screwed here to stop it sliding, and they're supported. I just stained this wood here, that's fine. There's going to be a mattress on it anyway. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments. I like it. I think it's quite cool. And I painted my legs down the bottom, if you can see. Yeah. Now, I ran out of black paint because I used the black paint to tint my green paint, but it's fine. Hey? I'm going to have boxes under there, no one's going to see it. It's no big deal. Anyway, bye for now. Thanks for watching. I do give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. It helps my algorithms.